My name's Joseph Carter, and I am the Mink Man.
When I was a senior in high school, I started learning about the American mink. I was told that mink were horrible, vicious little animals who were impossible to tame. Challenge accepted. I've been in love with mink ever since. I get mink from fur farms and give them a new life. In this new life, my mink live as naturally as possible, even hunting for their dinner the way a wild mink would.
So come join me on my adventures as we learn more about this intense little predator, the amazing American mink. Alrighty guys, so this is going to be the first muskrat hunt for our young mink. We've been driving along the canal looking for some good sign. We found right here a good looking muskrat hole. We stopped the truck, we're getting ready to go, and I actually watched a muskrat swim in there. So now what we're going to do, rather than just go ahead and dropping the mink in there, I want to train my pup to help us locate these muskrats. So Shirney, she's got some basic training on how to find different stuff. I want her to show me, hey, there's a muskrat in this hole. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna get back in the truck. We're gonna drive down the canal a little ways. I'm gonna let her out, then I'm gonna ask her where the muskrat is. And then hopefully she'll trot up to here and say it's right here. We know for sure there's a muskrat here because I actually saw it go in. So this is a perfect training opportunity. So let's get going. Good girl, where's the muskie? Good dog. Now she's out traveling like I was hoping she'd do. Far side, She's up here on the canal, so I'm gonna guide her back down. Get down there, far side. Good girl. Just kind of tell her a little bit what to do and a little bit have her guide me and guide her a little bit. We'll just to make sure the two. Where's the muskie? Good girl. And this is how we plan on doing this eventually. Where's the muskie? Far side. Good girl. Is just have her searching for the muskrats while we follow her. Because there'll be muskrats that I will pass, just trying to use my eyes, that she'll see. Where's a muskie? That she'll be able to notice with her nose. But the idea is eventually just to be able to trust her and find where they're at, rather than me trying to look for sign. Far side! Rather than me looking for sign, having her looking for scent, which is a lot more. Where's a muskie? Muskie! Which is a lot more accurate. Her nose will be far more accurate than my eyes trying to just spot muskrat sign from the road. And that hole's coming up. Let's see what she does. She just passed it. Oh, good dog. Good dog. She stopped right on it. Good dog. Good dog. Yep, even a little dig. Perfect. Good dog. Good girl, did you find it? Good girl, did you find it? Good girl, just perfect. Picture perfect, her first time. Good dog. Good girl, did you find it? Right there. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good dog. Good girl. Out. So this is her reward for finding the muskrat. Bring it here. Bring it here. Bring it here. Out. Gremlin, Naya, come here. Good girl, bring it here. Yeah, that's a good dog. Oh yeah, that's a good dog. That's a I'm just gonna take a little chunk of, that's a rat spleen. Put it in the back here. There you go, good boy. That's his reward for going in the box like he's supposed to. Good boy. This one, Saber. Wrong way. Did you catch a rock? You're not catching rocks, buddy. What did he catch? Oh, he caught a crawdad. He didn't catch a rock. Good job, buddy. That was hilarious. I thought you just picked up a rock or something. He actually caught a little crawdad. Good job, but we're fishing for muskrats. Good job on the crawdad. Go this way. This way. There you go. Good boy. That's hilarious. Tiny little crawdad. There he goes. Did you catch one? You might have caught one. Oh, find another mink. Oh, they got it. It's a muskrat. Good job. Good job, good job. Good job, Houdini. So Saber had it and chased it around, and good job, buddy. Here we go, in the box. In the box. Good job. Good job, buddy. Got it. Good job. That was pretty quick. I wonder if there's more. Any more in there, Saber? Well done? You kill him?
Yeah, I got the part with the crawdad too. That was funny.
That was hilarious. He just like come up immediately and throw that. Good job, Saber.
After letting Saber search the area for a second muskrat, I tied the muskrat carcass to a string and called him to me. I then let Saber chase and pretend to catch the dead muskrat, then cache it in his carry box for his dinner of chopped rat meat.
Good job, he got a little practice. Even though he didn't catch something, we let him pretend to catch the dead muskrat. And then when he got it in the box, we fed him up. Alrighty, so I've had people on both YouTube and Vimeo bring to my attention a little bit of an issue, and that's that you're not being notified of when I post new videos. So the plan I've come up with to remedy this problem is to utilize a couple platforms that most people are on for the most part. If you would like to participate, I encourage you to join one of these two platforms. We're going to be using Instagram and Facebook to notify you guys of every new video I post. But I want to do more than that. I don't want to just have this be a, hey, I got a new video up kind of deal. I want to make this interesting and interactive for you guys. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to try and post on a much more regular basis than I do my videos. Little kind of insights as to what I'm doing. So maybe a little picture, a short little video clip. These could be things that are family oriented, animal oriented, hunting oriented. So we'll be able to kind of hopefully accomplish two goals at once by doing this. So in the description below, in the description of every one of my videos from here on out, we're going to have a link to my Facebook page. It's called Minkenry. and we're going to have a link to my Instagram. And if you guys follow at least one of those two, you should be getting the notifications about my videos as well as the other interesting stuff that I choose to post.